Hello friends, I am Rajesh Purohit here from Hydrogen ATM Inc Corporation, a Delaware registered corporation. I am here to introduce myself and my fellow co-founders to you. I have been into business since last 35 years. I am a pioneer of LED lights in India. Currently I have manufacturing facility for LED lights, oxygen concentrator, and now we are starting with hydrogen heating appliances. Soon we will be starting an automobile company, say by the end of this year. Our other co-founders are Miss Hey Shafang. She has got very good knowledge about properties of metals and fabrication of metal. And we have one more co-founder named Surinder Sharma. He is a keen person as far as new technologies is concerned, or solid waste management, climate change products.